know, because you always hear clickbait like, "Oh, BlackRock is buying up all the homes out there," and it's like, I mean, no, like, not really.
Apparently not.
Apparently not. I mean, here's the data for you. And this is something that I'm going to say kind of scares me a little bit. But within the small investor space, again, you said fewer than 100 homes. I'm like, I don't know if I'd qualify somebody that owns 99 homes a small real estate investor.
Yeah.
But people that have just 3 to 9 properties, they accounted for between 14 and 15% of all sales each month this year. That to me is a little bit concerning because do they have full access to good data? Are they really looking at buying real estate fundamentally? Are they like, oh, I have a friend that made money in real estate. I heard I should be in real estate. They're not looking at the dynamics of the property. And are they maybe over leveraging themselves to just buy property?
I think that's a lot of it. And 3 to 9 properties, I would define more as a small investor. And I mean, we have seen it. We have, 800, 1,000 clients, whatever it is. A lot of them own real estate. And we've seen people who, buy a property because it's real estate. Yeah. And I mean, Chase and I, we both own homes, so we have real estate too, but we don't have investment real estate. But it's people just have this emotional connection to real estate where they just want to buy it. Whether or not, who cares what the numbers are, but I'm going to buy this. Okay, I'm going to get a loan. I'm going to pay that mortgage. I'm going to rent it out. And I mean, we've had people that, buy property, they make their down payment or whatever, and they're losing money every single month because the rent that they can get, and they go into this knowing that the rent is not going to be enough to cover the mortgage and the taxes, insurance, let alone any repairs or vacancies that come up. But they do it because, it's real estate.
Yeah, and I think kind of in relation to the big companies here, the big companies are looking at this as a business, which is why I'm kind of following them. And the big companies, including like Invitation Homes and Progress Residential, those are 2 big public REITs, I believe, or big public owners of real estate. They've actually become net sellers in the market and are selling more properties than they are buying, likely due to reduced rents from the high competition in the rental market and a softening of the overall real estate market in certain areas that has not provided, the key word here, the expected return that they wanted. For these big companies, they're looking at, this is what our expectation is for a return. This is what our expectation is to get rental income. This is what we need the rents to grow to justify this investment. It's all based off the numbers, where the small investor doesn't look at that. Mm-hmm.